Hi everyone, it's Tammy and welcome to week 9 of the 12 crafts of Halloween. This one's kind of a silly fun one, and it's just a balloon that you make look like a jack-o'-lantern, and I put some green ribbon on the top for like a little vine, and then there is some candy inside, so to get it they have to pop the balloon. Just kind of fun, a little fun little treat. You could do toys or whatever in it too if you wanted to. So let me show you what I did. Literally, it doesn't take much. I just have some treats, one orange balloon, and some green ribbon. Just stretching my balloon out a little bit. These are the 12-inch balloons. I actually found them at the Dollar Tree. They have an assortment pack of different colors, so I just get the one that had the most orange in it. And I'm just going to stick the candy right inside before I blow it up, of course. Getting one in there was fun. I don't know if I can get two. We'll see. All right. So there's the balloon. You don't want to blow it up too big because you want it to kind of be like, I don't want it to pop on contact. And then once you have your candy in there and you have the balloon blown up, you can make whatever face you want to make. I am not the world's best jack-o'-lantern maker. I can make some pretty cool jack-o'-lanterns, you know, at home, but when I'm drawing a jack-o'-lantern face, I'm really not sure. I'm not the best, but sorry if that sound bothers you. And then I'm just going to put a tooth there, tooth there. And I'm going to color this in the best I can. And I am using a permanent marker. This is actually called a slick marker. And it's a quick dry ink for slick surfaces, but you can use a Sharpie too, I'm sure. I just didn't have one handy, and I had this handy because this writes on pictures. Not that I do a lot of that, but I used to scrapbook a lot, so I had things like this handy. And I don't think it needs to be colored in amazingly, just enough. I bought some alien balloons at the Dollar Tree too, and that would be really cute too. You could blow up and make it look like a little alien if that's what you'd prefer. This is fun for birthdays too. I have done this as a gift for my brother. I put money in each one of the balloons, you know, like $1 or 50 cents or a penny or whatever, just different amounts in different balloons. And then I made him open them all up. I think it was for his 50th birthday. Or maybe it was for his 40th, I don't know, and I put a total of $40 or $30 or $50 or whatever his birthday was. And it was just fun, and it was all different increments and all different sizes and shapes of balloons, and it was just really fun. So I'm just putting a little bow on this, and then I mailed it, so he had to pop each of the balloons to get his gift. That's what he gets for having a younger sister, right? Okay. That is it. So the treat is on the inside. Fun. Simple as that. Really kind of fun, but easy and cute, and I know my kids will like it. They'll get a kick out of it. So thanks for watching and happy Halloween. Until next week.